Hi, this is Joshua Crawford, Managing Director of the recruiting firm PROPRIUS. Welcome to Get Hired Secrets. Today we will discuss 5 ways to prepare for losing your job. Can you believe what's going on around us today? Who would have thought that an invisible bug, a virus, would have completely shut down our economy and have us practicing social distancing? Who would have thought that a worldwide pandemic would finally make us slow down, whether we wanted to or not, and evaluate what is most important in not only our professional or personal lives, but also our professional ones? In this time of uncertainty, it is imperative that we stay positive and focus on the things that we can manage and control. I hope and pray as we stare down the coronavirus that your position is not in jeopardy, but let's not bury our heads in the sand and make sure we are prepared just in case. Do you think you may lose your job? Not sure how to prepare yourself? Have the rumors already started circulating that there may be downsizing, layoffs, furloughs, or even a closure? Are you scared and not sure what to do? These 5 tips can help you feel more in control of your financial situation. First, take a long, hard look at your monthly bills. Are you up to your eyeballs in debt? Now is the time to tighten your belt and try to get a handle on some of your debt and interest rates that you're currently paying. Does it make sense to pay down some of your debt right now or sit on your cash? What about transferring your credit card debt to a credit card with lower interest rates? Should you refinance your mortgage or get a home equity loan? Now would be the time to take care of this, not after you've received your notice. Second, what can you trim in your monthly budget? Can you stop buying those lattes every morning and save about $80 a month? What about relying on Netflix and YouTube instead of paying for cable and renting movies all the time? You can even cut back on that takeout. Do these things and you'll see some more green in your wallet. Listen, you and only you can decide what you can and cannot live without. Third, be more aware of what you pull your wallet out for. Look at your everyday expenses and decide if you really need to buy that item. Now is not the time for a shopping spree to cheer you up. Instead, make an effort to be more aware of where your money goes every day, every week. Fourth, assuming you're able to, should you consider trading in your vehicle for a ride with a lower note or better gas mileage? Do it now while you're still employed. See if the dealership offers any customer incentives such as cash back or lower interest rates. Depending on your cash situation, you could also look at refinancing your car to pull out some much needed cash to help you get by. Guys, I'm by no means a financial planner or advisor, so please consult with yours to make sure you are doing the very best thing for you and your family. Lastly, do you know what benefits at work you are entitled to? Take the time now to ask the HR department what benefits you're currently enrolled in, and if you have health insurance and it makes sense, be sure to get any physicals or medical tests now and refill your prescriptions. Take advantage of dental or vision coverage that you may have. Get those eyeglasses or contact lenses update, and if possible, schedule an exam and dental cleaning with your dentist. These copays are a lot cheaper now versus paying full price later. I understand using your medical benefits right now before a layoff can be a little tricky with the virus going on, so please use your best judgment. Being aware of the situation, planning and taking action makes you feel more in control of your life. Sure, you can't do anything about being laid off, and in most cases, unless you've committed gross misconduct on the job, it's not your fault. It's a management decision that will probably wind up changing your life for the better. See this as a new opportunity, not as a loss, and your positive attitude will help you find a new job soon. Check out more tips, tricks, and training at gethiredsecrets.com. Until tomorrow, be safe, be healthy, and be blessed.